What's going on, guys? Ben Wilson with Beardbrand Alliance, and in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about stropping. So this is a strop. As you can see, it has two sides. This side is the leather side, and this one is the canvas side. Primarily, before you shave, you want to use the leather side, and what a lot of people do is after they're done shaving, they will dry their razor blade on the canvas side to make sure it gets really dry, because the last thing you want to do is store your razor blade wet. So the whole purpose of stropping is to keep your razor's edge maintained. As you shave, and the blade comes in contact with your hairs, that's going to cause some minor damage to the blade itself. And in order to maintain that sharp edge, what you want to do is, before you shave every day, is use the strop. Now, you probably see a lot of movies where the guy takes a razor blade out and they're doing something like that with a strop. That's not what you want to do. The technique is super easy, super simple. What you really want to focus on is just being slow. So the speed will come after time, but you don't want to speed through doing this. It's something that you take your time to do. So real easy, what you want to do is hold the razor blade like this, and then you place it on the leather strap, and you want to kind of hold it between a 30 and 40 degree angle, like that, and then you're going to move slowly away from you. And then once you reach the end, you keep the blade on the leather strap. Then you're going to simply rotate it this way and then bring it back towards you. Forgot to mention, you want to make sure that you have it anchored securely. I have it anchored to this to my door, and you're pulling the other side tight. You don't want to have any dips or sags. So again, you want to also make sure that the blade is always in contact with the strap. You go away, reach the end, flip, come back, and then flip again. You want to do anywhere from 15 to 20 passes. You can see that this blade is bigger than the strop. So what you can do is something like that, going that way, and then shift it again, coming back. So again, the process would be, before you shave, you would bust out your strop, give the blade a couple passes, shave, and then once you're done shaving, you would grab the strop again and dry it out completely using the canvas side. So this will go a long way to maintain your blade between sharpenings. Suggested you should probably sharpen your blade twice or more a year. I usually sharpen my blade twice a year. You don't want to get too aggressive with the sharpening, because now you're sharpening is actually removing metal from your blade. But if you're stropping every day that you use your razor, that's going to go a long way in maintaining the edge and giving you a better shave. That's all I got, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions on anything I spoke about today, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And until next time, stay safe, and I'll see you then.
Whoever knew sweat could smell so good? I did, because I've been using Beardbrand's new deodorant. Grab it at beardbrand.com.